Hi, I'm Kent. I'd like to introduce you to our NWC power pack unit, which you see here. It can be used to create high pressure water mist in a number of different applications, mainly within the sawmill industry. Applications could be like saw blade lubrication, could be dust suppression, it can be lumber drying in drying kilns, and used for heat treatment. When you look on the power pack here, you can see how compact it is. It means that it's easy to both install in new applications as well as installing in as a retrofit or upgrade of already existing installations where the space might be limited. Also, the unit here is built on already well-known and proven technologies from Danfoss. I hope you found this interesting, and if you would like to know more, please click the link. Thank you.